We're out at 6620 Forest in Kansas City. I've got the camera down the clean out that leads back into the house. There's no water holding outside in either clean out, so the line has apparently got an issue internally. So we're up inside the cast iron going back underneath the slab of the house. The line's currently backed up inside. Looks like we're coming up on some kind of load in the line. You can see accumulation up in there. Let's see if I can push through it. Whatever it is packed pretty hard in there. And well, let me try and figure out how many feet into the house it is here. Reset the camera. Distance-wise, so we're coming backwards from that spot. So we're about 15 foot. And now we're coming up the clean out here. Cable's covered in black sludge. Okay, so the one closer to the house is when we're going down, so we're actually going back into the house. Go ahead and go down the one that goes towards the street. It's all dirty. So, as you can see, this pipe is open. Black water in it that appears to be creeping out from inside the house. And we're already into the SDR city line. And we're at the city main right there. So all of the outside pipe is open. You can see there's some pretty sludgy water trying to roll down it. It's probably because the line inside is clogged, so it's not getting rinsed all the way out. And it's just got waste that needs to be rinsed. Debris sitting in it, some poo and such. I'll run the camera down it again after we get the inside of the house opened up. But all the outside pipe is completely open. Yeah, it's got a lot of sludge in it. So.
I'm going to open that garage door for you.
Okay.
So you can go in and out of your bed.
All right.
How you doing?
Good. So, we'll stop the recording for now until we get the line opened up and see what is causing the issue inside the house.